Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons to buy this universal socket. So reason number 1 is it's so versatile on the so many different sizes of bolts you can put this on, and you can even put it on like a wing nut there. Second one is it comes with this adapter. So I can put this adapter on, and this is a 1/4" drive adapter, and I can put this in my DeWalt impact gun, and now I can take off different various bolts using my impact gun. Third reason is it's very durable. It's got a spring that whenever a bolt goes in, it's going to push those up, and then that's what's going to grab the bolt. Let's do a close-up here. I've got a really big one again. And now I can grab that. And here's a really little one. This it'll do from a 1/4" to 3/4 inch, 7mm to 19mm. And I may have like this odd size. Even the odd size will go in there and do a good job. Really thick metal. Love the adapter. And then I can also just put it in a normal ratchet. And there I go. I can go to town with any size I want now. Okay, let's push them in all the way. That's about as far as the little rollers will go in. So they don't go in all the way. Here's what it looks like. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.